Yun na nga. I'm creating job with my project. Alam mo, yung project ko na giving livelihood to people, ang target ko dyan is yung hindi makakapasok sa factory, yung mga hindi nakatapos ng high school. Kasi yung high school, kailangan high school graduate ka para pumunta ka sa factory. At lahat ng nagre-recruit high school graduate. Pero itong nai-employ ko sa aking livelihood, they are all below, hindi na high school graduate, mga nanay na otherwise walang opportunity na magtrabaho kasi mag-aalaga pa ng anak. I created a model where they can work. And it's very effective, it's very sustainable, and most of the raw materials are from waste na otherwise tinatapon lang. Oo. So I think I created a good model. I will continue this. I will promote this. Oo. And then of course, as I said, I will try helping naman yung ma-employ yung iba and through incentive to manufacturing. And of course, para guminhawa yung agriculture. Kasi pag hindi mo sinuport ang agriculture, papara sila. Kasi hindi sila makakompete eh. O di unemployment na naman yun, di ba? So we have to help them so they can continue on competing with others. Oo, para nang sa ganon, mura yung products natin, mas mabibili. And hindi sila mahihirapan sa mga imports.